Welcome guys. Now before with the ES6 the way you create the functions has changed. Okay, so that means before ES6 you created functions with function keyword like this, but ES6 you don't need to use function keyword to create the functions anymore. You can do it with this with an arrow. Okay, no need to use function keyword here, but it has some limitations if you use arrow functions. I will tell about those limitations later. Now we will see how this function two different types works. Okay, now I have a function called number double, and I have created using the syntax before ES6 have used function keyword, and what this function does is it will double the number passed into it and it will return it. So when I pass 3 as the argument, it should give me 6. Okay, it should give me 6, sorry 6. And now I have created the same function with the arrow syntax using with ES6. Okay, now you can see I have not used function keyword here. I have used just this part is there and this is not here. Okay, but in addition to that you have the arrow syntax also. This is the same logic I have implemented inside this function also. Okay, what it will also do is double the number passed into that and it will return that. So when I call this function, I should get is number 6. Now we will run this file. By the way, I am using Node.js to run the JavaScript files, I'm not running this on the front end browser. You will see, if you want to run do these exercises yourself, you can install Node.js and you can run the files like this. Okay, let's run the file. The first answer is number 6. Here you get it. The second answer is number 6. You have it here. So nothing has changed. Even if you don't use function keyword, you can create function with arrow syntax and you can still call that it, and this is how we use the arrow function in ES6.